Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are going to learn how to call C code from Python. One point to note, if you are going to create C compile file in Linux machine and then you wanted to use this file in Windows using Python, then accordingly you have to compile this C code using a compiler which can create cross-platform compatible shared file. Now for this demo, I will use C and Python both in same operating system, that is Linux. Now here I'm going to ls to see I have two files available here. One is .c which is C code and I have .py which is a Python code. Now let's open this C code, and here you can see I have included the header file, and then here I have one function that is add2, which is taking two numbers and returning its summation. Now in the main function here, I'm just using two numbers like 10 and 20 to test this code. Now let's compile this code, gcc, and I will pass this C code name here, which will create one file called a.out. Now let's execute this a.out to just test whether this function is working fine or not. Here we can see summation is 30, which is correct. 10 plus 20, 30. Now let's look into this Python code. Cat and this Python code. Here I'm going to import this add2.so file, but here I don't have so file. Here I have .out. So I will create this so file. Command, you can see here I'm going to create one shared so file which I can use in Python programming. Now this so file has been created. We will load this so file, and then here I'm going to call this add2 function to add two numbers, and I will pass 5 and 20. Now let's execute this code using Python. So Python 3 and this code, and you can see output which is 25. So thanks for watching.